Hello and welcome to my video, Self-Publishing a Book on Amazon. Print on Demand, POD Paperbacks. In this video, I'm going to explain what are print-on-demand paperbacks, why you should publish them, and how to publish them. Let's begin with what is a print-on-demand paperback. These are books that are printed and shipped to the buyer for you by Amazon for each order. So the books are printed as they're ordered individually and shipped for you by Amazon. There's no need to buy and store hundreds of books in inventory in your garage. And the POD paperbacks are sold on Amazon right alongside Stephen King and James Patterson. And there's no longer a need to spend your weekends at flea markets selling your paperbacks. You sell them on Amazon, or Amazon sells them for you. POD paperbacks are more expensive to produce than mass market paperbacks. You can imagine they're printed individually rather than in mass, so they cost a little bit more to the reader. Now, you won't actually sell many POD paperbacks on Amazon. In fact, this is this month's breakdown for me on my book sales on Amazon. And you can see that 66% of my revenue is coming from ebook sales, and the rest is coming from ebook loans. I have sold no paperback books this month. Well, if that's the case, then why self-publish an Amazon POD paperback? Well, the first reason is to bolster your Amazon Kindle ebook sales. If you look at your book product page on Amazon, you'll see in the upper right the formats that the book is available in. And it looks good to have it in as many formats as possible. You can see this book is available in Kindle, audiobook, hardback, and paperback. That looks impressive. The other thing that it does to bolster your ebook sales is look at the price of the paperback. It's $12.99, whereas the ebook is only 99 cents. That's a huge markdown. Sometimes Amazon even shows the two prices side by side with the paperback price marked out in red and the amount of discount that it is to buy the ebook. So having a print-on-demand paperback bolsters your ebook sales by making your ebook look more impressive by having it in more formats and by offering a higher price that makes your ebook price look like a deal. The second reason is it's free, fast, easy, and simple. In fact, if you through KDP start publishing your paperback after publishing a Kindle ebook, it will copy most of the fields and fill them in for you from your ebook publication. All you've got to do is upload the same docx Microsoft Word file for the manuscript interior that you use for your ebook, and you're off and running. It's very simple and fast and easy. And the final reason is you will occasionally sell a POD paperback, so you may as well have it. So how do you produce a POD paperback on Amazon? Well, when you're on KDP, after you get done publishing your Kindle ebook, just click on this Create Paperback button, and you'll be put through the same process pretty much as the Kindle ebook. The fields will be filled in for you. All you've got to do is upload your manuscript and your book cover and fix that up again, and you're off and running. You can publish a POD paperback in a matter of minutes. And once you're done, once again, you'll have that impressive Amazon book product page showing your book in multiple formats. This has been Brian Jackson with Self-Publishing a Book on Amazon. Print-on-demand POD paperbacks.